Good morning. Bright and early. Going to get an early start here. We got a car in here that we think we got sold. We're going to deliver it. And then we got a lead on a barn find. Got an old 250 SL stuck in a barn. We're going to see what it's all about, and we might drag it home. So stay tuned and we'll show you how this day evolves. Looks like we have arrived at our destination. Let's see what we can find here.
Beautiful sound. You good?
Welcome to Atlanta. We've been sitting in traffic for an hour. Seen some guy knocked over a big old sign and it's laying in the middle of the road of I-75. So I-75 is completely shut down. Boy, it's been a hell of a day. We got started here at 6:30 this morning. It's what, 11 o'clock at night?
Yep.
We spent like 6 hours in traffic in Atlanta. But the crew and I, we got the thing done. We delivered one good shiny car and we brought home a barn find. 250 SL. We'll check this out in detail later and videotape it some more. This car will probably be for sale. So if somebody's looking for a project car, contact us.